Hello guys, welcome back, and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing our repertory exam revision series with our next repertory, which is the synthetic repertory. The full name of the repertory is Synthetic Repertory. Author is Carl G. Hogg, Verlag Gum and Company. Publication year with edition. First edition in the year 1973, second edition in the year 1982, third edition in the year 1993, Indian edition in the year 1987. Introduction. Repertory was originally published by Carl G. Hogg, Verlag, Gump and Co. in the year 1973. It was published in India by B. Jain Publishers, New Delhi in the year 1987. It has borrowed information from all the sources, including the earlier repertories and Materia Medica, and thus it is the most appropriate and the most reliable of all repertories published before this. Synthetic repertory is an up-to-date repertory of general symptoms of homeopathic materia medica. This repertory is available in three languages, that is English, German, and French. In this book, the author has synthesized about 16 authorities and have a put together to form a complete repertory. Sources: the synthetic repertory has been compiled from 16 sources. The main sources are Kent's repertory, Nair repertory of Herring's guiding symptom, BBCR, and bogus synoptic key. Philosophical background: it is based on deductive logic. Barthel and Klonker realized many difficulties with regard non-availability of general symptoms, especially the mental symptoms. To overcome these difficulties, as well as to facilitate better understanding of a person and a homeopathic medicine, synthetic repertory has been enriched with many qualified mental and physical generals. There are four varieties of typography used in synthesis repertory to indicate the gradation of remedies: capital underline, which is the capital letters with underline, which is grade 1, capital, which is grade 2 or the 3 marks, bold, which is 2 marks, and ordinary, which is 1 mark or the grade 4. The plan and construction. According to the hierarchy of general symptoms, the synthetic repertory is divided into 3 volumes. Volume 1 contains only mental symptoms. The main rubrics are 604 and 33 cross references. Volume 2 contains physical generals except sex and sleep. Physical generals including time of modalities and other factors and circumstances. Number of rubrics 538 and the 23 cross references are available. Volume 3 contains 4 main chapters, that is sleep, dream, and sex, male and female. Sleep contains various conditions of sleep and related symptoms. It has total 44 main rubrics. Dreams contain various types of dreams. There are 400 main rubrics. Sex, male, contains various symptoms in relation to sexual functioning of a male. There are 16 main rubrics. Sex, female, contains different conditions and symptoms in relation to menses, pregnancy, childhood, menopause, abnormal discharges, and sexual functioning. It has total 26 main rubrics. Arrangement of rubrics. The rubrics are arranged in an alphabetical order in each volume under each chapter. The rubrics are arranged as per principles of general to specific. In some of the publications where 3 languages are used, the rubrics are first written in English, then in French, and finally in German. Remedies are printed under each rubric and not after the rubrics. Cross references are mentioned throughout the repertory in all 3 volumes. They found below the rubrics at expected planes in italic letters. Methods of repertorization. Cases which are rich in generals are well suited for the synthetic repertory. Prominent mental and physical generals form the totality of such cases. The cases can be repertorized by following methods using synthetic repertory, that is, using generals, using only mentals, using only physical generals, and using generals and particulars. The selection of method would depend on the dimensions of symptoms available in the case. Total number of remedies are 1594, that is 1594. Special features include: it contains a large number of rubrics, it contains 1594 drugs, which helps the physician to select the right remedy. The source of collected data is mentioned in each rubric with numbers. In volume 1, mind section, causative modalities can be referred to under the rubric ailments from, which contains many rubrics. It becomes easy to refer because all causative modalities are given under one single rubric. In volume 2, under food and drinks, ailments from, aggravation, amelioration, aversion, desire are given at one place. Many clinical rubrics are mentioned in the repertory. Time modalities are well arranged and pre-presented. This repertory available in 3 languages, that is English, French, and German. Common errors like double entries, lack of clarity, and wrong nomenclatures are corrected. Criticism. It cannot be called a complete repertory because of the absence of particulars. The author has recommended the use of Kent's repertory for particulars. Not useful for bedside quick references because this repertory contains 3 volumes. It contains many medicines, a majority of them are not well proved. Some of the remedies are not available in common Materia Medica book. Hence, the knowledge of these medicines remain incomplete. The page of repertory are divided into two by a middle line. Both divisions are counted as separate pages. Sometimes these may create some confusion. Okay, guys, so with this, we have covered the synthetic repertory. Again, a very, very, very important repertory, which is very useful in this modern times and also from an exam point of view. This repertory is generally asked in papers. So in this video, what we have done is basically that we have covered all the important pointers and data which needs to be remembered minimum, the bare minimum which you can remember. Of course, the textbooks should always be given the highest priority and your source books. And then while revising, you can always watch our videos. All right. So I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care. And also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It will motivate us to make more and more such videos for you all. Thank you.